Hi everybody, it's Tony the RV DJ, and that's Jim. Say hi, love.
Hi, how are ya?
Today,
As opposed to yesterday.
we're doing an unboxing and review of the Coverado Napa leather seat covers that they sent us. They asked me to do an unboxing and review. Right here it says Napa seat cover, Napa leather right there. And we got instructions. So let's see what these jammies look like here. Babe, you have to hold this. You have to hold this. I don't know if you can see me or not. Oh, that might work. That might work. So these are front seat covers, because they do not make back seat covers for the Gladiator. And it's a seat cover inside of a seat cover. So we're going to have to pull one out. Here, grab this second one out of here. I'll hold the first one. Just pull. Yeah.
That's the back.
That's the back of the second one. Here's the headrest, two headrests. And here's the second. So we'll just have to put that somewhere. Oh, they're... Jeez.
They're poked inside one another.
They are.
Nice packing.
Yes, nice packing, definitely. So this is this for the headrest. It's got a Velcro thing that loops underneath where the bars are. And this is the seat back. And Jim probably has one of the bottoms. Yes, he does. And this is the seat bottom. So
that would be for your butt.
So let's take these over here. Welcome to the inside of the Gladiator. So Jim's got the headrest. Here's the headrest. And according to the instructions... So here is the seat back. It says Coverado on it. Very nice. Very soft and supple. And it's got buttons on the top, or snaps on the top, I should say, that we have to undo. Now, these are airbag safe seat covers. So, in case you have airbags in your seat like we do, they actually make breakaway points, which I saw, I think it was on the bottom, I saw the breakaway points for the airbag. So, what we have to do is we have to slip this over the top of the seat. And these are like application specific. So, they have a nice little pocket on the back. They're individually made for each individual vehicle. Hold on here. Okay. Oh, look at that. Very snug, very tight fitting. Now I have airbags all over this crazy truck. So, and they just started that in 2024 with the Gladiators and the Wranglers and stuff. So, these are Napa leather seat covers. And Jim is currently snapping the top here underneath the headrest. Tight fitting, snug. Here's we do the headrest. Just like that. Pull that through. It might Velcro on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
It Velcros on the inside, so there's no snaps. That's what the headrest looks like. Let's take a look at the bottom. Now the bottom has these, they call them little plastic chucks. You might have to find them in the bag there, love. In the other bag. But these are they come with hooks and with chucks. These little plastic chucks. And also some metal hooks. Looks like this. It's the plastic chucks and the metal hooks. So what you have to do is these plastic chucks go on and they push through between the seat and the bottom. Like that. So it looks like we only use the metal hooks for the front. So we are going to push these through here. Jim's going to grab it on the bottom here if you can see it. And then on the bottom part over here, this is going to get hooked up under here, so we don't need these plastic hooks. And you just kind of and there we have it, folks. The installation of the Coverado Napa leather seat covers that they were kind enough to send to us. Very easy installation. That's how they look. They're airbag safe. So they do have breakaway points for the airbags. They come in any color and any design that you want. Thank you very much, Coverado. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.